two major problems Chevy Suburban has 2015, and I'm going to show you how to get to it, how to diagnose the problem, and how to fix it. So this is the first one. Your wireless charger cable is broken and keep on blowing your memory fuse. I'm going to show you how to fix that one, or we come about the problem, or we find the problem. And the next one will be the leaking water getting in your truck. Yes, I said it, water getting into your truck. I'm going to walk you through it, and just stay tuned. And I will show you how to get each and every one fixed and how we find the problem. This is the main one. The console right there, the wire was fully burned. You can see that. All of these problems that I'll be showing you will result in a no start, no crank situation. Stay tuned. And I'm gonna check the wires now to see if everything is good. This wire was our main problem. This wire was kissing up. That was my problem. That would be golden, bro. If that was my problem and my only problem, I'm gonna be smiling. Yo, this is crazy. Alright, don't pay me no more. Now I'm gonna connect inside here. Before, I saw smoke coming from here. Mad smoke. I wish I had a video for that. So I'm gonna replace this number 10 with do I have any 10? Let's see if I have any more 10. I could. Yes, so that fuse that I'm about to replace is the number 8 fuse and the 2015. But still no signal, no nothing. Oh my god, it's working! Can you believe? My god, let's see if this works. Let's see if this actually works, yo. Cause it's coming on now. He's saying suspension that the code that I had before. Let's see if if she start. Oh, she's still not starting. She's still not starting up, guys. She came on twice. I'm wondering if the fuse that I just put in, if it's too small for it. Cause it's definitely too small. I put a 5 and it's supposed to use a 10. So let's see if that was the issue. Because we get rid of the burned wire for sure. Let's see if it's pop again. If it doesn't pop, then I believe we're working. We have a yes, guys. So we checked the fuse. The fuse is perfectly fine. Now we gotta search for our second problem. We solved that first one. Also, I realized before the truck was cycling on by itself, meaning you will hear the gas pump come on for like 5 to 10 seconds, then it go away. So now no start, still no power. What could be the problem now, Price? Did any other fuse pop? I really think something is wrong with this wire right here. Something is going on right along here. It just came on all by itself. Look over there. This is bugging me. I think I have some ground problem or something inside this bitch. Something is going on somewhere. Yes, guys, this is our second problem that we have with this truck that is leading to a no start. The first one was finding that wire that was kissing and replacing that fuse once we separated. This is our next problem. Water was coming in. That's when we seal it with silicone. We didn't take off the inside. We did what we did from outside, and this was what was going on. This is also a problem the 2014 to 2020 has. If you have a antenna, you need to get on it right now. So water was coming down through that area into my truck. Yes, guys, if you're wondering, that was water. So now we're going to be spraying up the whole system with some electrical spray, electrical spray, just to get the system up and running again. Yes guys, so we leave it sitting overnight. After we spray it up with electrical spray, we let it sit overnight to get rid of the existing water that was in the system. If you look, you could see the pins are all rusted, and you could see green marks along that circuit. So now it's dry. We're going to put everything together. As you see, the car did start up. That was one of the problems that we had. We're going to connect the battery right now and kick it started. We're in the truck. Oh shit, it started. Like, share and comment guys, follow